Well, how's it going? It's another beautiful Alaska early winter day. It's, I think, like 33, 35 out. It's super mild right now. It's a little windy, but not bad. Enough to give my birds some yard time because it's warm enough. They're hopefully hardy enough. And why not? Instead of being all cooped up and bored, might as well just get some entertainment before they're trapped all winter. Today's little video, I went and got me a snowblower attachment and came with everything besides the second pin, so I have to wait for that to come up. But also I'm having this great little issue. Doesn't want to start. So I just went to our local John Deere dealership and gonna do a little home maintenance on it. See if it just needs oil change, new spark plug, and some new filters. If not, I don't know. It'll be great. It's gonna be fine. It's all it needs. It's all it needs. So I've done one of these before. Super easy. Thankfully everything's really convenient. Good spots. If I can get it off, you know. It's a little super dark, but it's fine. It'll be fine. Done one of these before at the beginning of the season for mowing, at least, and everything was working fine, no issues, except I couldn't find a oil filter. So I have 80 hours on it. I've never done the oil filter for it, so got to do that. I think this goes on here. I don't have any instructions. The other one doesn't have it. So, yeah, come on. Silly birds. Well, I guess that's a big change. Actual OEM part. Birds. Eat. Out. Go. Hang. Yeah. Jeez. Trying to make a video, trying to make content. Have them kick all the birds out. Ooh, that is a tight. Really tight oil filter, but I have a handy dandy oil filter wrench. And the beauty of doing this in my barn is it's going on my plywood floor right here, which is only treating it. So, you know, pros and cons. This one little spot is going to be in great shape. And not that much came out. Seriously, they're worse than kids. Little tiny little chickens. Pretty straightforward. Nothing too crazy. You don't need to be a mechanic. need to have some common sense. Couldn't find pliers, but I found some wire snips. Hopefully this will get the job done. While that's draining, I guess I'll go find some pliers. I think I have some in the house somewhere. Have a whole barn. Not the right stuff in it. Oh well. Found some. Are they the right ones? I hope so. Just trying to take the fuel line off so I can replace the inline fuel filter on this. But it's wanting to be a pain in the butt, because why not? Okay, got that one. All right, turkeys. Excuse me, turkey. Big arms, get out. Thank you for coming to say hi. Only spilled a little bit of gas, but it evaporates, so that's fine. But it's a good thing I'm replacing this. I don't know if it'll come through on camera. Old, new, super gross, longer, looks all around better. So, let's hope that's one of the issues. Or not hope it's one of the issues, let's hope it'll solve the issue of this not starting. Yeah. Cool. That's on there. So 5 minutes to do that. Sheesh. So I just had to do unclip that one, undo that one. Just had to squeeze and shift it up. Got a new filter on there. I don't know where I put the other spark. Oh, new spark plugs there. Gonna replace that. So, I'm gonna do the oil. If you want to see a video on how to do it, you can look it up. I'm just gonna knock this out and turn it back on when it's hopefully gonna start. It took some convincing, but for the most part, starts right up. Sounds really nice. My old spark plug was pretty dirty. Not terrible though. But got fresh oil, fresh spark plug, fresh air filter, charged battery. What else? I guess there's really nothing else for it. I'm super upset that I can't attach my snowblower. All because this pin goes here and the guy I bought it from is lost the other one, basically. So I just have this one. I ordered it. Should be here sometime. Not really exactly sure, but I'll just keep trucking along for now. Get that glare out of here. Another fun project I have to do probably this winter, clear off my workspace, and then work on fixing my fixing the deck, because I think I broke off one of the spindles that the blade kind of latches onto. So I was trying to go around, pick up leaves in the yard, hit a rock that was hidden underneath the leaves, and I think snapped the little bit of grooves I had left on it that holds the blade in place. I think winter's finally set in, so won't have to worry about mowing any green grass for at least, oh, I don't know, upwards of November, December, January, February, March, April, 6 or 7 months before I actually have to mow. But for now, finally got the mower running. I might try to get some bolts to thread into that spot, into the mount, so I can actually mount it and use it. I mean, not like I need it. There's only like 3 or 4 inches out there. Well, just like that, it's winter again. Had a couple warm days. It was close to mid 30s, but I think right now it's 16-ish. But I'm okay with it because it's like actual winter now. And off camera, ta-da! I got this done. I was able to find some bolts for both sides. Got my awesome tire chains and bungee cord. And then I didn't have the right size bolts for the weight hangers, but I have a C-clamp and some whatever those tools are called. I forget what they're called, but I had them laying around because I used to have them when I was an iron worker for a couple short months when I first moved up here. But it works, runs flawlessly. The only thing, I don't know if it's gonna start because it's so cold. Let's see if it's gonna start. Ooh, maybe. Not happy about it, but she'll run. Biggest fans of the lawnmower in the summer to begin with. They'll run away. But gonna let that thing warm up before I show you guys how it runs. And then, yeah, I think that'll be the end of the video. Do a quick little demonstration and try it out now that the snow is actually nice and like hard instead of the gross soft stuff that it was. But I'll just do a quick little pass and then hopefully we'll stay running. Yeah, I'll just do a quick little pass, set it up on this convenient tree stump, have this awesome view. so far so good. He does not like it. Neither does he. But the only thing I need to be cautious of is with it being gravel, basically just a dirt driveway. There's lots of rocks that I have to contend with. So yeah, it's cold. The mower, the belt didn't want to catch, so I'll put it in there. It backfired on me. It shut it off. So something I'll have to like get a blanket or something to keep everything warm. Yeah, it's working like a charm. Turns out my bungee job failed. Sometime with me driving up and trying to do this little bit, came completely off. I found this one and those two were still attached. The other one's gone somewhere in the yard. Don't know where it could be. So now I get to try to put this on. I don't know how to put it on. I should probably look up a video. And I have wannabe gloves because it's really cold. I tried touching it. Fingers immediately went numb after touching the metal for like 2-3 minutes. So found these. Gonna retry, and I'm just gonna set you guys up so you can watch me fail to do this again. Just trial and error at this point. Shouldn't be that hard. Oh, I'm making my life so much harder by not watching the video. I think that was just a wasted 7 minutes of my life. Hopefully it'll work. I don't think it will. I think there's too much slack. But I think it's because my tires are pretty flat. So, I don't know. I'll do 1 or 2 more passes. Hope for the best. If it comes off again, I'll watch a video and fix it myself. Or not obviously fix it myself. Whatever. My knees are cold. Well, there's definitely some growing pains that I need to learn with this. Need to do a little bit more research on the tire chains. And definitely need to wear warmer clothes next time I come out. But I also need to figure out how I'm going to cover it to make it warm so it'll run better, or at least start up better, and keep the belt from doing what it did. I think it just got too cold and too icy where it just didn't want to catch. So I just need to work on that a little bit. But it works great. Picked it up for relatively cheap. Bolted on just fine, as you guys saw. And I got two whiny little dogs. Birds are doing just fine too. Enjoying this winter. It's also the highest the sun is going to get here in South Central. It's just barely above those trees, and it's only November 24th. So in another month, it might make it over those trees. But it's right now it's 2 o'clock and the sun is just about set. It's a great time. I love it. Wouldn't want to change it. It's so beautiful. It's picturesque. I'm gonna go sit by my fire, warm up a little bit because I'm cold. I'll throw this together. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Tune in for whatever the next one's gonna be, because Lord knows I don't.